Welcome to our channel TechDevil, your ultimate destination for the latest tech reviews and insights. Everybody is looking for the next big thing in smartphones, but the Poco F6 Pro is different. This isn't just another phone, it's a statement. Poco is known for disrupting the status quo, and the F6 Pro is here to redefine what a flagship killer can be. This phone packs cutting-edge tech, it delivers flagship-level performance, plus it boasts an impressive camera system. All this comes at a price that's sure to turn heads. Get ready to experience a phone that punches above its weight class. The Poco F6 Pro is more than just a phone. It's a game changer. It's a phone that refuses to compromise. It brings together performance, innovation, and affordability. In a world of premium-priced flagships, the F6 Pro offers a compelling alternative. At the heart of the Poco F6 Pro lies pure processing power. It's equipped with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. This chipset is a beast. It handles demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or multitasking, the F6 Pro won't break a sweat. The phone is also equipped with ample RAM and storage variants. This means lightning-fast app launches and smooth performance. No lag, no stutter, just pure speed. The Poco F6 Pro is designed to keep up with your demanding digital life. To ensure peak performance, Poco has implemented advanced cooling technology. This keeps the phone cool even under intense workloads. You can game for hours without worrying about overheating. The Poco F6 Pro is designed to deliver sustained performance. The Poco F6 Pro doesn't disappoint in the camera department. It boasts a high megapixel camera system. This setup captures stunning photos and videos. From detailed landscapes to vibrant portraits, the F6 Pro captures it all with precision. Poco has integrated features like Optical Image Stabilization and a telephoto lens. These features enhance the photography experience. They allow you to capture professional quality shots. The camera interface is intuitive and feature-rich. The Poco F6 Pro's camera system is designed to impress. It empowers you to capture your world in stunning detail. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or a casual user, the F6 Pro's camera won't disappoint. The Poco F6 Pro boasts a stunning display. It features a 6.7-inch AMOLED screen, with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. This translates to an incredibly immersive viewing experience. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or browsing the web, the F6 Pro's display will captivate you. The display also supports HDR10+ and covers 100% of the DCI-P3 color gamut. This ensures vibrant colors and lifelike visuals. The Poco F6 Pro's display is designed to impress even the most discerning users. The phone itself features a sleek glass back, available in shades of midnight black, ocean blue, and lunar white. The design is both stylish and functional. It feels great in hand. The Poco F6 Pro is a phone that's as pleasing to hold as it is to look at. The Poco F6 Pro packs a substantial battery. It's equipped with a 5,000 mAh battery. This ensures all-day battery life, even with heavy usage. You can power through your day without worrying about running out of juice. When it's time to recharge, the Poco F6 Pro supports 65-watt fast charging. This means you can top up your battery in just 35 minutes. No more waiting hours for your phone to charge. The Poco F6 Pro also comes equipped with NFC, stereo speakers, and runs on the latest MIUI software based on Android. These features enhance the user experience. They make the F6 Pro a well-rounded and feature-packed device. The Poco F6 Pro is a game-changer. It offers flagship-level specs at a mid-range price. This makes it a compelling option for value-conscious consumers. The phone excels in every department. Its performance is top-notch, its camera is impressive, and its display is stunning. The Poco F6 Pro is a phone that punches above its weight class. It's a true flagship killer. The Poco F6 Pro has the potential to disrupt the smartphone market. It offers an incredible combination of performance, features, and affordability. It's a phone that demands attention. It's a phone that delivers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. See you in the next video.